In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Bluetooth to be able to operate your 25AG and 55AG gasoline heaters. There are two different operating switches available for the 25A and 55A heaters. We're going to look at activating the Bluetooth for both of those. The first thing we need to do is get the operating switch to be set up to be able to use Bluetooth. Turn the unit on, toggle over to the clock setting, press both arrow buttons to get into program mode, toggle over to P3, toggle down to the Bluetooth setting, and set that to on, and we're good to go. For the P25AG X389 switch, hit the settings button, toggle over to Bluetooth, turn the Bluetooth on, hit the exit button. Next, we need to set up the Bluetooth app on our phones. So we'll navigate to dksi.com. On the top right corner of the website there, you'll see the three bars. Click on that. And at the very bottom, customer support, we'll click on that and navigate to manuals and resources. We'll toggle down to the Bluetooth app, 25AG and 55AG heaters. And at the top, we see some links for the Android and iOS download links. Follow those links and we'll get the app set up on our phones. Okay, so we're able to download the app, and I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and we'll connect a new device. You see our heater here. We clicked on that. And now it's connected. So from here, we can see the voltage, the set temperature, the firmware version that we have. We can operate the heater and adjust the temperature here. That's in power mode, and we can also operate it through auto climate mode. Again, adjusting it from 5 degrees right up to 35 degrees. We can operate the fan, and then we can get into setting mode. So once we're in settings mode, we have several different options here. We can do a Bluetooth switch upgrade, troubleshooting, change the Bluetooth name, and we can do firmware upgrades. First of all, we'll look at the troubleshooting. And so here's some download codes that you see when we enter that troubleshooting mode. Next, we look at the changing the Bluetooth name, so we can change the name that we see on our Bluetooth. And then finally, the firmware upgrades. If we click on that, it'll take us into some menus that follow that, and we upgrade the firmware on our device. You can see here that we're currently set at 1.73, and that is the most current version. Thank you for watching. Please call us or email us if you need any assistance at all with setting up your Bluetooth operation for your P25AG or P55AG gasoline-fired heaters. Thank you.